All right. Hi guys. So we are starting our stream. Yeah. Oh, just a sec. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we are starting our stream, and today we'll be making a video on AI design for business people. That is for founders, entrepreneurs, marketing managers, product managers, so non-design, non-developers. Well, it might be useful to them as well, but my main aim is to introduce you to potentially cool AI design tools and test if they can actually be used by business people. Yeah. I'd say any business person goal would be, well, to cut costs, do something faster and do something easier, and probably with a higher quality, but at least faster and easier and cheaper. That is always a great idea. Yeah, so hopefully today we will learn a new way to do it, and maybe, I don't know, maybe you'll be able to like let go your design team, your freelance designer. Yeah, sorry for them, but maybe not. We'll see. All right. So our plan for today is to test two design tools. We'll be testing Claude Design and Google Stitch. These are both AI design tools. Yeah, just this is like how Google Stitch looks like, and this is Claude Design. Yeah. Well, nothing too interesting, but yeah, just to introduce you. Yeah, our goal for today is to test those two tools. Yeah, and as I said, I'm not a designer. I'm a business person. I'm entrepreneur, product marketing manager. I've made a few projects of my own in various areas like edtech and bicycle accessories design and some other interesting areas. So I had to learn a lot from scratch, and like I always have to learn new things. Obviously, for the past 3 years, AI was like the thing. So I've learned, I've been constantly learning in AI, in marketing, in product, and I'm just sharing my experiences here. So if you want like to see a real life video of how AI design tools work and if they can be useful to business people, just stay with me. Yeah. So let's just start with the first part of our video. Yeah, and this is design scenarios for business people. Why actually like AI design tools might be useful to you guys, and what kind of design probably you should try creating with AI design. Yeah, so I am a business person. Yeah, and as a business person, I need business results. I don't need some like work to be done just for the sake of working. Yeah, and I would value myself some tool for the fact it can bring me like great results, easier, faster, cheaper. Yeah, I would enjoy like having rapid prototypes, being able to test hypotheses quickly, and hopefully save on design. And it's not always like an issue in terms of money, yeah, it often in terms of time, how much time you need to spend to get some working design. Yeah. Then we have other like input that business people often have. Many companies don't have like any brand kit, or if it's a company just starting out, so it doesn't have a brand kit. So there are like no strict guidelines which you can use to create a new design piece. Yeah. Also, for business people, it's often quite difficult to define the task clearly. Yeah, I know that is the problem. And like for designer, it might be easy to do something inside maybe some AI powered tool, because they just, as it's their professional domain, they can formulate what they want very clearly. Yeah, and so get a better result by default. And for us business people, sometimes it's kind of difficult, and we get worse result, and we are unhappy with tools we use. Yeah. Then we also need to iterate quickly and easily. So when we have some result, some, I don't know, presentation, we need to be able to edit it, yeah, without like losing the whole design idea. The same with web page landings. Yeah. For this reason, yeah, the typical scenarios that from my perspective can involve AI for business people is landing pages, obviously, yeah, slide decks, both like internal for the team and external for potential clients. Yeah. This is mostly for product managers, like adding an app functionality to test something quickly. Yeah. And for marketing, obviously add creatives. Yeah. Like, yeah. So these are obvious things that are needed to business people from my perspective. If you think something should be added, just comment. Yeah. And maybe I will make another video on testing with a different scenario. Yeah. So for this video we will be testing two things. Those are landing page and slide deck. Yeah. We will create a slide deck and the landing page in Claude Design and Google Stitch. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we should like take a note of is the product. Yeah, I have like my own fictional product I've been using for other my videos. This is Steos. It's a channel manager and direct booking engine built for independent hotel owners. So it means that it's a thing that allows hotels to accept and to get bookings directly on their website, not on like Expedia or Booking or Airbnb. Yeah. This is just our fictional product. We will use it for the sake of like testing out. Yeah. Okay. Then the next thing we need is the content brief. Yeah. I think you kind of understand that you need some content first to build a website, to build a slide deck. Yeah. And there is important thing especially for business people. Yeah, because sometimes it just gets messed up. Like there are tools for making content and tools for making design. They sometimes intersect, but usually it's like you create content somewhere, maybe with your head. Yeah, if you're still doing it, I don't know. Then you take the content and you make the design. Like maybe it's conservative approach, and now like you can do something with a prompt. But what I've seen so far, it doesn't work really well. You have to do the content, then you have to do the design. So today we are testing the design tools. So we are not doing anything with the content. Yeah. Yeah. I have the content brief for my landing page ready here. Yeah, it's pretty long. It includes like all the content that should be on the website and then on the slide deck, and explanation like what kind of content it should be. Yeah, like layout, for example. Yeah, rounded corner bordered cards, numbered step pages, and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is not just plain text. There are two ways of doing it. You can do it yourself. Well, three ways. You can do it yourself, you can do it with a designer, and you can do it using AI. I use AI for like creating like design idea of the content. Yeah, but I do a lot of my own inputs, and I wouldn't recommend just to like delegate it to AI completely. Yeah, and here's another important thing to note. Obviously, if you have your own brand guideline or some, I don't know, design system in place, then you will be able to use it as a reference. Yeah, in Claude Design or in Google Stitch. But if you are just like starting a new business, starting a completely new product, or I don't know, something like for whatever reason you don't have a brand guideline or design system, yeah, you would need to find some references of website of some design that you like, yeah, and add it to the prompt when building content brief with AI. Yes, and it's important to tell AI that like first that it like explain that it needs to avoid AI sloppish design. Yeah, it actually is getting pretty good at like figuring out what is AI sloppish design. Yeah, but it still wouldn't work without references. So you need to add some references of design you like and say like, okay, please analyze these 5, 10, how many websites you want, provide screenshots from those websites, and tell it to like use it as references to build its own design idea, so that like it's not AI sloppish design, yeah, which we obviously don't want. Okay, yeah, for my video, because we are using hotel tech product, I've used these 3 websites as references, but it doesn't matter, you can use like anything you really like. Yeah, all right, so we have landing page content, we have sales deck content. It's, as you can see, the same kind of content brief. There are some forbidden patterns. That's thanks to design references I've attached. Yeah, and then there is slide by side specification, like cover, layout, headline, subline, and blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay. We have our content, we have our product. Moving to the next part. The next part is kind of important if you want to build something beautiful, yeah, not just AI sloppish design, and that is design system. Design system is like your set of guidelines about how design is made. Yes, it can be like a very complex design system for say apps, web pages, and like brand as a whole, or it can be just, I don't know, some design system for creating print materials. Yeah, so it can be very different, but if you have it, that's good. But for building design with AI, you would need something like to start with some design, because otherwise AI would build just some bad stuff, really. Yeah. So if you don't have it, there are plenty of websites where you can get, like, say, free system to use. I don't know, like, in terms of license, how does it work? Maybe. Well, anyway, for our video, we can definitely use it because it's not commercial. Yeah, but yeah, probably at least you can get some inspiration and then rework it and probably, yeah, use it. Okay, yeah. So in our case, I just looked at this website called DesignMD AI, and I just took a system from there. So it's just a set of typography rules, spacing, colors, components, cards, and stuff like that. It's pretty simple, actually, yeah, and do's and don'ts. Yeah, it's rather simple, but it's something that allows us to actually build some design according to our own rules, not according to what AI wants to build itself. Yeah, so that's because that's the goal of the design building process. Like, normally build something we want. Yeah. Okay, that's done. We've talked about design scenarios for business people, about our product we use, about content we use, about using design system, and now going to our two tools. I'm not like mentioning them too much in writing, so I'm just going to write them down. This is Google Stitch versus Claude Design. Yeah, this is our today test. Okay, and we are now switching to those design tools. And you might want to realize, like, so you're gonna spend maybe another 20 minutes now talking about each other or each of these tools, but not really, because basically they are very easy. Yeah, and yeah, I'm just going to show you now, like, yeah, like how it works. I've already recorded a video of me creating these both designs. Yeah, because because I've tried recording this video 3 times already, and each of this time, like, some of the things inside those tools were not working, just like completely. Like, it was, for once it was Google Stitch, then the next time it was Claude Design, and the next time it was both of them not working really. Yeah, so I'll be showing you pre-recorded video of me creating the tools, yeah, with my comments. All right. Yeah, so yeah, this is Google Stitch. It's pretty simple. Yeah, and we are just copying our prompt in the box. Then we add our file where we have our design system explained, yeah, which is well, kind of easy. And I just click generate. That's it. That's the whole work I've been doing. Yeah, I've had a very simple prompt. Yeah, and 2 files. One file with the content, one file with design system. And now it just started creating. So you can see that it has a lot of things going on. You can actually watch it as a, like, I don't know, like a broadcast. Yeah. Yeah, it started creating something, and at the same time I can put the same thing in Claude Design. Yeah, there is like a lot of functionalities, like we choose prototype, just put the name, put click, and then again we add our prompt. Yeah, and we upload both of our files, and that's it. Yeah, it's just running on a faster speed right now, but it's that simple. You add your prompt, you add both of your files, one file with the content and one file with your design system, and you just tell it like, boom, do the work. Yeah, okay. And yeah, you see Google Stitch already has created something for us. It you can say it's a bit faster. Yeah, I've not counted like how much time it took for the Google Stitch and how much for Claude Design, but kind of sounds that for Claude Design it took twice or maybe even 3 times more time on the same work. Yeah, but we will then compare the output because that is what's like really important. Yeah, you know. Okay, so now just basically waiting for the output from Claude Design. Yeah, I must tell you now that both of these tools are in research mode, so don't expect too much from them for now. Okay, so Claude Design has delivered something for us too. Yeah, so this is the page. We will like evaluate it in a sec. Yeah, just in a while. Yeah, but just something has been done, and the same with Google Design, with Google Stitch. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so now we are just switching to our outline. Yeah. Again, very simple what we have done so far. We've created the content for our landing. We've built is like an exaggeration. We've took a file with design guidelines, and we've written a very brief prompt, and then we just copy pasted these 3 things into both Google Stitch and Claude Design and made no adjustments. No, we haven't changed any settings, anything. Yeah. And yeah, so we got some result. We will look at it in a while. Yeah, because we also need to do the same for slide deck. Yeah, so the same for slide deck. Yeah, we have a slide deck prompt, and we just do the same. We copy it into Google Stitch together with our 2 files, and it just starts creating. It's beautiful. Yeah, and now the same with Claude Design. We just add our prompt, we add the file with the content and the file with design guidelines, and we just tell it to do the job. Yeah. Okay, so for now we just have to wait. Probably you can just listen to maybe to the music for a while, and yeah, I'll just make it a bit louder because yeah, it took around 8 minutes for like on both tools to create a single piece of design. So no, actually even less than that, yeah, because like maybe say 3 minutes to for Google Stitch and something like 6 minutes for Claude Design, I think. Okay, but anyway, we're still waiting. Yeah. Actually, it's done. Yeah, it's done for Google Stitch. Yeah, we can see the presentation. There is a problem. I already see a problem, so we are going to address it soon. Hopefully. Yes. Because you see there is a different height of the slides and they look more like web pages. And for Claude Design, we're still just like waiting how it, like, let's see how it goes. Yeah. But it looks like it's gonna finish soon. Yeah, I hope so. Because yeah, I already want to like explore the design. Yes. Yeah. Just gonna like put some music on for a while and let's wait. Okay, yes, it's finally delivered something. Yeah. Not like the final result, but yeah, I can see that yes, something is done. The presentation is ready. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now yeah, like my congratulations. We've built the like all the designs we wanted. Yeah, they are delivered. Now the next part we will evaluate them. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, first let's have like our personal look, because well, yeah, so first one is Google Stitch, and okay, let's just see how. Okay, Steos direct booking engine landing page preview, new tab. Yeah, let's just see. Okay, but why it's not like full screen? It's interesting. Okay, open direct link, because I don't want to see it. No? Okay. So this is how it looks like. The end of commission starts here. I will probably attach my all the pieces of design, yes, so you will be able to see it yourself. But well, it's kind of interesting, but I'd say I have questions. Yeah, I have a lot of questions. Okay, let's finish it. Let's finish watching it. Yeah. Speak with an architect, request revenue audit. My first impression is that it's still kinda AI-ish and very and like too simple, yeah, and well, say it's something I wouldn't expect it. I would expect a better job, actually. Yeah, but that's just my impression, like first impression. We will do a proper analytics later, so stay with me. We will do like analytics of like if it adhered to our guidelines or not. Yeah. Okay. So moving now to the next. Moving to Steos landing made with Claude Design. Okay, just click preview. Yeah. Okay, this is interesting. I'm just gonna check what was in my landing brief. So this is what this was my headline. This was my sub headline. Yeah. And let's see. Well, here it's just not in place. Yeah. So this is actually interesting. Yeah. This is more interesting. Yeah. I already see some AI-ish stuff, probably. Yes, but it's maybe AI-ish not because of Claude Design and Stitch, but because of our initial prompt. Yeah. It's simple, yeah. Of course, there are no photos, but we haven't like included them because yeah, it wouldn't work properly anyway for now. Yeah. This is actually not a bad thing. This is not a bad thing. Yeah. What do you think? Write in comments, like, what do you think about this design? Like, as itself, without any additional context. Yeah. And what do you think about both landing page from Claude Design and landing page from Google Stitch? Okay, but anyway, we now need to compare them. Yeah. So now is the evaluation part. Yeah, all right. And we have like two, say, evaluation, my and AI. And actually, I will probably prefer to do AI first, like I will put an input and we'll see how fast it can go, and then and then just switch to just switch to my evaluation. Okay, so oh no, this is not, yeah. Okay, so we'll just put a prompt. Okay, so I have two versions of landing, and I have evaluation criteria attached, and I also additionally to no, actually this is not a good, no, I don't like it. Yeah. Okay, so I have created two landings, and I need to check if they adhered to our content and to our design guidelines. Yeah. And I also need to check if they are like AI sloppish design. So I've attached files for you. If you have any questions, please ask me anything. Okay, so now I'm just going to attach I'm going to attach my AI evaluation questions. Yeah, these are just pretty simple ones like typography, color, spacing. And now I need to export both of these websites. Yeah, so first I need to export this one. Yeah, just zip probably. Yeah, and then the same with this one. Okay, I guess it probably going to need some time to think. Okay, yeah, we just have to wait a little bit. Okay. So, yeah, I just can't see it in. No, just not downloading. Why? Okay, yeah, okay, this one is done, and the other one was already done. Yeah. Okay, just all right, so I've just gave it both files. Just editing a prompt, yeah, so here to our content and to our design guidelines, yeah, and I also need to check if they are like a sloppish design to our okay, let's AI do its job. Yes. And what about us? Yeah, well, I just realized that if we use my prepared tool for evaluation, well, it might be a disaster for, I guess, for Google Stitch. Yeah, so, but what can we do? Nothing. So, yeah, I'll just put it like here so it can be also seen. Yeah, and now moving on to my evaluation. Yeah, like the first one is Google Stitch, and the next one is Claude Design. Yeah, you've seen the tools. Yeah, so first one is website built with Google Stitch. No, it immediately doesn't look like a credible product. Your eye goes straight to the right place. Yes, kinda. No. The page looks polished. No. This one actually requires like rewatching it. Well, I can't say it's like 0%, but maybe somewhat. Testimonial section looks believable. Not really. The main button is immediately obvious. The main button. Well, it's obvious, yeah, it's true. Like, I have to give a credit for that. Feels like natural next step. The CTA, actually, kinda yes. Yes, I have to agree. Yes. Yes, but like each section feels clearly distinct. You always know you have moved to a new idea. The page builds momentum as you scroll. It gets more compelling, not more confusing. No. The overall rhythm of the page. No, this is something bad. Visual variety. No. There is no, like, layouts are pretty similar. Complex element are easy to scan and compare. Let's see. Let's just have a look. No, these are not things to compare. This, well, No, it just looks bad. This looks so. Let's say, well, I don't know. I don't like it. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Somewhat. The large display numbers, well, they do not feel like really attention grabbing because of bad typography and stuff like that. The page has a distinct visual identity. No, it looks like a completely generic template. That's a problem. The design tone matches the copy tone. No. You could show this to a hotel owner and they would feel it was made specifically for someone like them. No. So this is the my score. Yeah, now let's have a look at Claude Design. Yeah. And I just in case, I want to tell you that I have I'm not receiving any money or any commission or anything from none of this stuff, at least for now. We don't know what's going to happen in the future, but at the moment of recording the video, I'm not receiving any money from any AI tool. So yeah, just in case. All right. Okay, moving on to Claude Design landing. Yes. It's this one. Yeah. All right. The site immediately looks like a credible professional product, not a template or side project. Well, somewhat. I think you would agree. Your eyes go straight to the right place. Well, with this, yes, here. Well, because of this large typography use, yeah, it's more accurate, but well, your eyes definitely go to the right place, because yeah, this was done well. Simple direct build for serious operators. Somewhat, not really. Well, I would still be embarrassed to show it because it's not a finished, it's not a complete product. Yeah, and key numbers and stats stand out visually. Yeah, they stand out visually. The testimonial section looks believable. Let's have a look at it once again. Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, I would say you can do it better. You can do photos, but we didn't include photos in the prompt, so you should not expect that. Yeah, so it's kinda okay. Not the worst scenario. Yeah. Then action clarity. The main button is immediately obvious. Well, here actually it's not. This button is lost somewhere below, which is strange, and this comparison table, I don't know if it was in the initial plan. Well, it was in the initial plan, but yeah, so no, yeah. All right. So it's kind of obvious, but it's not CTA feels like the next natural step. Yeah. There is a clear visual difference between the primary action and the secondary options. Yes. Page flow. They are kind of distinct. Yeah, this is true. Yeah. Momentum as you scroll. No, it doesn't get more compelling. No. The overall rhythm of the page, dense sections. No. The page uses noticeably different layouts. So. Complex elements like the comparison table and pricing block are easy to scan and compare. So. I'd say so. Then the large display numbers feel dramatic. Yes, they definitely feel dramatic. Brand fit. I have to say it still looks like a generic template. Well, the design tone here is definitely better, but still somewhere just above the very poor level. You could show this to a hotel owner and they would feel it was made specifically for someone like them. To some extent, yeah. But so. So this is like my verdict. They both receive pretty low scores, but Claude Design is for now way better. On this day, yeah, with the same input, for me, yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what Claude brought us. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna I'm just going to make it this way. Yeah. Okay. So, typography. The first one is built with Landine. It's Claude. The second is Google Stitch. So you see that with typography, in this report, with AI, we do not evaluate the general quality of the design. Yeah, because it's for non-designers it would be too difficult to do it in a good way. Yeah. So what we are doing, we are checking if design tool managed to adhere to what we wanted it to do. Yeah. And that's what we are I was evaluating the design just as I see it as a business person. Yeah. But AI, I wanted it to make a different approach, to do adherence check. Yeah. In terms of typography, copy and stuff like that. So for typography, we see that Claude Design is receives a pass. Yeah. So but Google Stitch, it doesn't adhere to normal rules. Yeah, so you see okay, oh sorry. Yeah, so you see I just see that I have turned off the music in this window. Yeah, okay, so typography, Claude Design pass, Google Stitch partial pass, because you see that something is done okay, something is not. Then layout and composition, yeah, Claude Design pass, Google Stitch fail and partial pass. Yeah, so you see like each section uses a meaningful different layout. Okay, hero split layout is actually split. Yes, how it works, width is a timeline, not just a numbered list. See, and here it's a complete fail, like it didn't adhere to our rules. Yeah, comparison table is a proper table with column alignment. Pass, fail, because here no comparison table present. Okay, here like dark light alternation, that is like done well for both of them. Spacing and breathing room, this is very important. It's all pass for Claude Design, it's partial and fail for Google Stitch. CTAs and interactive elements, pass for Claude Design, fail for Google Stitch. Pull quotes and testimonials. Okay, so for for Claude Design it's okay, so pull quotes visually differentiated, star ratings render as actual stars. For Google Stitch it's partial and pass. But here, it's not a pass, like basically they were just not used. Okay, brand and content compliance, pass, fail. Okay, so it just it violates the our like anti-jargon spirit, so it's a fail. And ICP match, pass. And here actually it's a different language, so for this reason yeah, like all these things about content, like subjects, CTA, claims and blah blah blah, I will make right now another prompt, like to check if they comply with our copy. Yeah. Okay, and now can you please check specifically if both of these landings actually adhere to our copy, because we had very precise content written in our content file. Yeah, and we needed to use it without any changes, like completely without changing it. So can you check and make a similar kind of analysis, but for the adherence to the content for both of the landings we have? Okay, let it just do its job, but for now so this is just about copy. And then AI slope indicators, layout variety, they have pass, typography distinctive. partial. Palette avoids generic AI aesthetics. Yeah. I wouldn't agree here, but all right. Yeah. Like in case of Google Stitch, no. Layout feels completely templated. Like, yeah, you know, like just like just have a look. Yeah. Oh, sorry, not this one. Yeah. Just have a look. It's just like now we've done some objective evaluation that I can say this is awful. This is like really, this is extremely bad work. Yeah. Like, I don't know. Okay, so switching to Claude back again. Okay, so in terms of AI slope, again, it's a failure. Yeah, and you see that basically AI agrees with me that Claude Design is better. Like, I wouldn't say better because, oh well, but Google Stitch, it evaluates it with a low rating, like because it seems that it got a lot of things wrong. Yeah. I have a lot of questions to Claude Design landing. Yeah. But if just comparing these two tools, I would say, well, for now, it seems that taking into consideration what we has given, yeah, what input we have given, Claude Design managed to complete our task way better. I would say in my like in my conclusion, what I think about like real business use of this kind of design, but at least in terms of like comparison, Claude Design is obviously for now way better, but let's see what happens in the, well, I sorry, because I don't know, maybe they would like to sue me for this, like Google, no? So I wouldn't say better, yeah, it's not the correct word, but the correct word would be like, in my opinion, Claude Design has completed my task better than Google Stitch. All right. Okay, I think it like Claude now completed our copy check, like what has happened to it. Yeah, and you can see the result. Okay, the first one is again, it's Claude Design, the second is Google Stitch. Let's start with positioning and curve pitch. Positioning statement used. It's paraphrased. So it decided it's cleverer than me and that it can just use whatever text it wants, but not use my text, which is awful. But in Google Stitch, it's just absent. They just like the entire positioning is wrong. Yeah. And because of this, you can see that in Google Stitch, the landing targets other ICP. It targets enterprise operators, not the ICP, the position. Like our positioning was for independent hotels, yeah, but this is completely different thing. So it's really like messed up. All right. Then one sentence pitch used. Absent for both. It's incredible, yeah. Yeah, like we have our pitch and it's not used anywhere. And then the next thing, it's just crazy. It's crazy. Like Google Stitch doesn't describe our product at all. So you can't understand, you can't like see that it's actually a channel manager from the website. That's crazy. Like, what's the point of the tool that just like from the prompt given, it can't just adhere to it? Yeah. Then tagline used. Uh, well, they both decided not to use it, but for Google Stitch, it's like invented and not in brand kit. It violates our tone. So it, like Claude Design, just tagline is absent, but for Google Stitch it goes even further. It thinks that it should not adhere to our to our content brief. Yeah. All right. Then the next thing. Yeah. Brand values. Okay, present. Okay, but I'm just going to check one thing now because it might be checking. Okay, just in case. Okay, just in case. Do you realize that you needed to check if these landings adhere to our content brief? We do not need to check if they adhere to our brand kit and other stuff from our projects file. We don't need to use them. We just need to check if landings adhere to our content brief, and that's it, nothing else. Just let me know before doing anything further. Okay. Okay, I've done something wrong now. Okay, sorry about that. I'll have to... Yeah, is it really? Like, I forgot to... Yes, I forgot to do it, and... Yes, I'm sorry about that, so this might be... This might be wrong, so I've wasted... Yeah, I've just realized I wasted like a few minutes of your time because like all this analysis for copy was wrong, and right now we are just waiting for the review against our real content brief. Yeah, so sorry about that, but the pattern is still the same. Yeah, you can see that the first one is landing A. This is Claude Design. Yeah, and the second one is Google Stitch. Yeah, so I've given both of them exactly the same content brief, and what they did, like Claude Design basically used all the content as is. Yeah, like it's exact, like for all the areas it's just exact match. Yeah, like yeah, present. Okay, the one is present, but it actually also exact match. Exact. Yeah. And then we have the second one, Google Stitch. Well, it's just it decided not to like use my content at all. You see, I might need to do something. Maybe I need to learn, maybe I need to give a specific prompt. But the thing is that we have like, I don't know, plenty of various AI tools. And I can't like go deep into each of them. So the idea of these tools is like to do everything right in terms of workflow. And basically, if I give it a content, it should use the content. Yeah, it cannot make its own content. But what I see with Google Stitch is they've invented all the content. They haven't used mine like at all. Yeah. See, violation, clean, violation. So again, 95% for Claude Design and 8% for Google Stitch. This is like incredible. Yeah. I don't know. I'm going to like right now. It's interesting to me. Like why? And can it answer, or will it try to modify it? Can you explain why? Don't do anything, just answer me. Let's see. Can it answer it? Or it will just perfect the details and provide me a new design? I don't know. Okay, it's adding a splash of color, gathering project assets. So it's going to build a new thing out of this. Okay, so this was a failure in my execution of the fidelity principle. If you'd like, I can immediately regenerate the landing page using your exact final copy. Well, maybe next time? Yeah, because we are doing just like one step, and yeah, because it's important, like we are evaluating it from a business perspective, not from and from business perspective I need to get my work done and done quickly, and I don't have like a lot of time for checking and like figuring out like from it in a few steps and stuff like that. Yeah, so I prefer it to be done in a nice way from the first attempt. All right. Yeah. I see that we are doing it already for like more than an hour, so probably like this time we won't go into evaluating slide decks. Yeah, we'll do it in a separate video because it's just it's gonna be too long. Too long. Yeah, I will make a separate video on that. Yeah, so now let's let's sum up on these websites, like from business perspective. Yeah, like let's talk about business perspective realistically. Yeah. Again, what's important from my point of view to business people is that we can do something fast, easy, and that it's a quality work, and that it's like production ready. Yeah. And well, we've evaluated both tools, like from my perspective, from AI perspective. Yeah, again, it was, well, I think it was pretty thorough comparison. Yeah, and again, one important thing that it's kind of difficult because we were like, our initial content brief was not perfect one. Yeah, it included a lot of numbers. It wasn't like perfect. Yeah, so for this reason we cannot evaluate it comparing to professional design. But at the same time, as a business people, I know that it's the kind of content brief we can make. We can't make anything better than this, like realistically. Yeah, because even this one it was well, I'd say it was not that bad. Yeah, so like, I'd say first, can, like, okay, term like ease of use, both are very easy to use. Like, you just paste things and you just go. Yeah, then adherence to our guidelines and content. Claude Design, yes. Google Stitch on first attempt. No, we don't know what's going to happen in the second one, but like, we can, like, in this way we can compare it forever. Like, do then edit something Claude Design, edit something Google Stitch, and blah blah blah. For now we just did one attempt and see what we can do, get out of one attempt. Yeah, like the rapid prototyping. Is it professional quality? I would say, like, no, professional quality is some miscriteria. Can it be used in production? Claude Design. Not yet. Requires editing. Google Stitch. No. Like, from first attempt, no, completely. Yeah. Yeah, so I would say just, yeah, I can just open it again. Like, with Google Stitch, probably you see that it's just something, just did something wrong, and so you have to, like, work again and again. I'm not going to do it, sorry. Like, I'm not going to do it. Yeah, I need something done nicely in the first attempt, and then I can finalize. I'm not going to, like, fix it. Yeah. Then with Claude Design, it's better. It's better. Yeah, but the problem is that here our, like, initial prompt was not the strongest. Our initial content, it was not that strong, so probably we could get a, like, better result. Yeah. So, like, the content is a bit AI sloppish, and actually the design is not that bad. Yeah. I mean, if you maybe even delete some sections, if you add some images, and yeah, like, there are no images right now, you realize that. Yeah, you can probably, it might work, like, in the second attempt. So you got prototype, and now you add what it lacks, you delete something, pretty much the same as with any website you would try design yourself or with designer, yeah, and you can get to the production stage, yeah. So my final verdict for now, I would definitely recommend trying Claude Design for business. Just okay, yeah, so these are basically my final verdict for landing. Yeah, we haven't seen slides, but we are not doing it today because it's going to like last forever, and yeah, even me, I don't have energy, so much energy. Sorry. Yeah. But I've already like done this, so probably I will just do a separate video. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so my final verdict. I would definitely recommend trying Claude Design for business. Yeah, for business people like marketing managers, product managers, entrepreneurs, project managers. Just you would need prepare in advance a quality content, and you would need to have proper design guidelines. If you have it, if you have done like your work, I don't know, with somebody else, with some other AI, yeah, then you can go for design for it and try, do a few edits, and hopefully in the end you would get like good result. It's probably like not for everybody, but for testing new things, for testing something, yeah, it would work. Like to say fire your design team, yeah, no, it's not working. Definitely for now. Yeah, it's just no. Because I'm pretty sure it cannot do systematically like design job without mistakes and at a really like top quality level. Yeah. Then Google Stitch. I'd say that for now, just you can just try it, yeah, but for real use, I would recommend to wait for some newer version where they will fix this stuff, and it will be like just more professional product, yeah, because now I don't see how I can use it myself for real work if it messes up so much on the first attempt. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, I think we've done hopefully not a bad job. Yeah, we've just tested real life those two tools. Yeah, and probably I'm going to continue testing in the next video. Maybe it will be just shorter. Okay. Maybe I'm going to do another video on like polishing the product inside Claude Design and like making it like really some, say, professional level. Yeah. And yeah, so thanks very much for watching me today. Have a nice day, nice evening, nice night. Yeah, and see you soon. Bye.